some more breaking news as far as Bengaluru civic body is concerned. It appears that the Bengaluru civic body is now at work after Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar sets a deadline. The BBMP fills potholes across the tech hub. DKS has set a 15-day deadline for BBMP, and those are the visuals on your screens right now. That is the big breaking news that we're getting you as the Bengaluru civic body is now at work after Deputy Chief Minister sets a deadline to fill potholes across the tech hub. My colleague Neha continues to be with us. Neha, it required the Deputy Chief Minister to set a deadline for the BBMP to spring into action?
Well, of course, year after year, unfortunate as it is, the situation doesn't really change much on ground, where we see citizens having to come out in large numbers, raise complaints here about the pothole-ridden roads of the city, and after which, there's much, in fact, there's very little really that's done by the officials concerned, the civic body, the BBMP, following which, of course, it is generally only a wrap by either a senior minister or the concerned Bangalore Development Minister there that, of course, things get set rolling into action. As far as this is concerned, we've been hearing now for nearly a week about this 15-day deadline. Of course, remember the first time this announcement was made was was more than a week ago now. So if we are to count the deadline from that day on, in barely about a week from today, we should be seeing all of the potholes in the city being filled. But of course, one way or the other, there's some respite now coming in for the people of the city as officials are, in fact, being forced to swing into action over here and ensure that, people do not face any hazards while they're driving on the road, that these craters, these massive potholes in some areas are covered up at the earliest. Of course, like we've seen in the past as well, many a time when work is done so quickly, we see often that it's quite shoddy. This time around, how are things going to be different? We'll really have to wait and see. Of course, a 15-day deadline there that the government has set, but how this pans out is something that we'll probably only find out in the coming days.